Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to turn on iCloud backup on your iPhone running iOS 14. With iCloud backup, you can store your data to the cloud automatically over Wi-Fi connection and back up your phone. So first let's go into your settings and then tap on your Apple ID profile at the top of the page. Then scroll down and find iCloud and tap on it. Now scroll down and find iCloud Backup. You'll notice iCloud Backup is switched off. Tap on it, then on the next page, toggle the switch to the on position. You'll get a message that the iCloud Backup is turning on. If I go back, you'll see it is switched on. The backup will only happen if the phone is connected to a Wi-Fi connection. Now to switch it off, tap on it again and then toggle the switch to the off mode. And there you go guys, that is how to switch on iCloud backup on iOS 14. Hope you guys found this useful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.